traits or characters, it should be transferred, that is in the form of what? Coded form, and that is storing in the genes and expresses that hereditary information from one generation to next generation. Okay, now how they are possible? So these genes undergo a replication by making their DNA duplication or by making their new DNA from old one, parent one. So what I told, genes undergo replication means by making new DNA from old parent DNA. We'll discuss in detail what do you mean by replication in this chapter. Okay, so genes doing what? Undergo replication. Okay, now here what happened, each offspring or individual receives 50% of its genetic material from male parent and rest 50% from their female parent. So come on that. Each individual receives their genetic material 50% from their male parent and 50% from their female parent. So what it is showing, that equal distribution of genetic material by father as well as mother. Okay. Now, if we are coming during crossing over, what happens? That also depends on external environmental factors and that causes mutation, okay, or advanced generation. So what we can say, these genes occasionally undergo mutation. So these genes occasionally undergo mutation and helps in evolution of better generation. Okay, and these all possible only due to what? Gene. Okay, now if we are coming on their genetic material, so what is the nature of genetic material? We have seen that characteristics of genes, then we have to come on nature of genetic material. So come on that, one by one we are going for nature of genetic material. So what is the nature of genetic material? All the genes that having characteristics like that it should be contained. So first is, genetic material is the substance that control formation and expression of traits. Okay, so what I told, it is the substance that controls formation. Okay, it controls what? Formation and expression, both is there, formation and expression of traits. So formation and expression of traits in the organisms. So any substance that controls formation and expression of traits in the organisms, So what we can say, that belongs to genetic material. Now another benefits, another nature is what? Genetic material can be replicate. Okay, so it can be replicate and transfer information from one generation to next generation. Okay, it should be what? It should be having the property of replicate and transfer information from one generation to next generation. Okay, now these two, one is a replication and one is expression. These two are the fundamental property of genetic material. This is very, very important, what I told. Replication and expression are the two fundamental property of genetic material. Okay, what are the properties are the fundamental? First is replication and second is expression. Okay, replication means they are making their DNA from one generation to next generation, and expression means transferring this information from parent to offspring. So these two, replication and expression, are two fundamental functions. Okay, these two are fundamental property of genetic material. Okay, now many scientists seen that the genetic material DNA having the property of these characteristics. Okay, they contain these characteristics, so showing that DNA is the genetic material. So now scientists see how, so they are given evidences, so evidences in support of DNA as genetic material. So come on that, evidences in support of DNA as genetic material. Now what are the evidences are there that shows that, yes sir, okay, wait, okay, I am connecting again sir, voice clear sir? Okay, wait, okay, wait a minute.